Looking to get that first showroom clean back? Oh, clean, unscratched bike. Even after a pressure wash, you see this ugly brown mess on your pretty white pearl plastics. We're gonna show you how to get that clean, but first, let's show you how to get dirty.
Like, I've never had this much mud on my bike, buddy. It's awesome, man.
Mr. Clean Magic Erase Pads versus WD-40. Mr. Clean Magic Erase Pads are amazing. If you haven't tried them in and outside of your home, you're wasting your time using the wrong product. Shockingly, you probably already have this product lying around the house. Didn't know WD-40 protects and cleans plastics? Product description says it cleans, but it didn't actually clean very well, so you were right.
Yeah, where's the Simple Green?
Here comes a new challenger!
Reach for Simple Green. Yeah, Simple Green didn't work well either. Winner, Mr. Clean Magic Erase Pads. This is how he celebrates. After all was said and done, I went back over the whole bike with Mr. Clean Magic Erase Pads. This ad was not sponsored or endorsed by Mr. Clean in any way. Individual results may vary.